In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Substack welcome page. If you want your publication to make a strong first impression, your welcome page is a great place to start. It's the screen people often see before they dive into your posts, so a few thoughtful adjustments can help set the tone, reflect your brand, and guide new readers smoothly into your content. Begin by opening Substack in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile. This opens the menu where you can access all the tools you need. In that same area, click the three-dot icon to reveal additional options. From that menu, choose Publisher Dashboard. This takes you to the central hub for managing your publication. Inside the dashboard, click Settings. You'll see a variety of controls here, so scroll until you find the website category. This is where visual and structural elements of your site live. Click Edit Theme to open your theme editor, where you can fine-tune the look and feel of your publication. On the left side of the theme editor, select Welcome Page. This focuses the editor on the part of your site that greets new visitors. Now, look to the right side and click the drop-down menu. This is where the customization options for your welcome page are organized. From here, you can add an image that represents your voice or your brand. Choose a clear, high-quality image that looks good on both light and dark backgrounds, and avoid overly busy designs that make text hard to read. Keep the subject centered so it displays well across different screen sizes. You can also add the name for your skip button. This is the small call to action that lets visitors move past the welcome screen. Keep it short and friendly. Something like continue, enter, or skip works well. Aim for a label that sets the right tone and doesn't confuse your audience. Next, you can change the background color. Pick a color that aligns with your brand and maintains strong contrast with your text for readability. If you use brand hex codes, enter them to stay consistent, and consider how the color feels to new readers: warm, cool, bold, or neutral. Once you're happy with your choices, click Save. This applies your updates to the welcome page so new visitors see the fresh design. And that's all you need to do. By opening Substack, navigating to your publisher dashboard and settings, heading to the website category, editing the theme, selecting welcome page, using the right side drop-down to add your image, set your skip button name, and choose your background color, then saving, you've polished a key part of your publication's first impression.